Okay, so let's see a couple of examples that will prove that business intelligence is fun, not only in theory, but also in practice. Did you know BI can be used for price optimization? Hotels use price optimization very effectively. By raising the price of a room at periods when many people want to visit the hotel, and by reducing it to attract visitors when demand is low, they can greatly increase their profits. In order to competently apply such a strategy, they must extract the relevant information in real time and compare it with historicals. BI allows you to adjust your strategy to past data as soon as it is available. Awesome! Another application of business intelligence is enhancing inventory management. Over and undersupply can cause problems in a business. However, implementing effective inventory management means supplying enough stock to meet demand with the minimal amount of waste and cost. To do this well, you can perform an in-depth analysis of past sales transactions for the purpose of identifying seasonality patterns and the times of the year with the highest sales. Additionally, you could track your inventory to identify the months of which you have over or understocked. A detailed analysis can even pinpoint the day or time of day where the need for a good is highest. If done right, business intelligence will help to efficiently manage your shipment logistics and, in turn, reduce costs and increase profit.